There is a saffron storm in Maharashtra, one, but this is a BJP storm. They have actually consolidated their position in the politics of Maharashtra. So BJP is 100 plus in Maharashtra. That is where the story is. The story is around Devendra Fadnavis. The story is around the people who organized the election. The story is around how Bharatiya Janata Party itself has outdone itself in Maharashtra. That's story one. But we will also focus on another state. That is also important. Jeet Bhati is there. Jeet, ये तो उल्टा हो गया. बीजेपी 35 हो गई. कांग्रेस इट्स जेएमएम प्लस. सोरेन प्लस कांग्रेस है, वो 45 हो गई है.
बिल्कुल देखिए, और रुझान जी देखिए, रुझान अभी जो है वो पहले बीजेपी को दिखा रहे थे, अभी पलटे, और शायद यही वजह था कि जब यहाँ पर केंद्र में राज्य मंत्री हैं संजय सेठ और बीजेपी सांसद हैं, बड़े गदगद थे और बोले देखिए जी 44 तक तो पहुँच गए, 50 भी पार कर देंगे. लेकिन क्योंकि ये शुरुआत है, और वो भी ये खुद भी कह रहे थे कि 12 बजे के बाद चीज़ें क्लियर होंगी, लेकिन आश्वस्त है इस चीज़ को लेकर कि बीजेपी झारखंड में वापसी कर रही है. लेकिन अभी जो रुझान है, यानी कि जो ऊँट हैं वो उस तरफ करवट ले रहा है, और अभी दिखा रहे बढ़त जो है जेएमएम और कांग्रेस को. लेकिन इसमें भी हम कहेंगे ये भी पलट सकता है, क्योंकि ये भी अंतिम नहीं है, क्योंकि भी बहुत ज़्यादा समय हुआ नहीं है, केवल 2 घंटे हुए हैं वोटिंग को जो काउंटिंग है उसको होते हुए. लेकिन दोनों ही तरफ आश्वस्त है, दिखा रहे हैं. एक तरफ जहां पर बीजेपी कह रही है कि घुसपैठियों को यहां पर बसाने का काम किया, माँ बहनों की इज्जत से खिलवाड़ किया गया, भ्रष्टाचार किया गया, तो वहीं पर जो झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा की सरकार यहां पर रही है कांग्रेस के साथ में, उनका कहना है कि महिलाओं को सम्मान दिया, रोजगार दिया, तमाम जो सुविधाएं दी हैं, विकास किया है. क्योंकि 17-18 साल तक जब बीजेपी की सरकार रही तो निचले जो सबसे पिछड़े सरकार राज्य थे उसमें झारखंड दूसरे नंबर पे था, उसको नंबर 1 लेके आना है. तो दोनों के अपने अपने दावे हैं, लेकिन किसकी तरफ ये सारा मामला जाता है इसको देखने के लिए हमें अभी 1-2 घंटे और वेट करना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि हमने देखा पहले रुझानों में एक तरफ दिख रहा था कि बीजेपी एनडीए जो सरकार बना रही है, अभी देखिए 15-20 मिनट के अंदर सारी चीज़ें पलट गई हैं. तो आगे अभी कई बार ऐसा उतार चढ़ाव हमें देखने को मिल सकता है, लेकिन दावे सभी कर रहे हैं, आश्वस्त सभी इसको लेकर. लेकिन क्योंकि जो जनता है उसने ईवीएम में क्या दर्ज किया है, इसका हमें थोड़ा सा और इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, और स्थिति साफ बता पाएंगे कि आखिर झारखंड का सिकंदर कौन बनने जा रहा है.
छोटा नागपुर, पलामू जीते, इन इलाकों में जाने से पहले हमको बताइए कि जो झारखंड है उसमें जेएमएम कांग्रेस कहाँ जीत रही है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी कहाँ अच्छा कर रही है. क्यों है तो राज्य छोटा, लेकिन उसके कई सारे इलाके हैं. छोटा नागपुर भी कई हिस्सों में है, जो पठार है वो उत्तर दक्षिण में बटा हुआ है, और कई सारी जो सीट्स हैं उसमें आदिवासी संख्या कम है. ये अकेला राज्य है झारखंड जहाँ आदिवासी संख्या मात्र 26% है. जीत, आवाज आ रही मेरी आपको? कट गया. हमारी आवाज नहीं जा पा रही है. अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट दैट हैज टेकन प्लेस, I think this is a very important development, which Brijesh said. Mamata Banerjee is sweeping all the seats right now. So RG Kar, after Sandesh Khali, somehow it has not worked against Mamata. You know, we'll go state by state. Because that's what we are saying. It's a Mahapol, it's mini Mahapol that has happened. And in this mini Mahapol, I think the results are there. BJP is leading in 7 seats there in Uttar Pradesh right now. 7 seats, and it's a very important day for Bharatiya Janata Party, because the shock they got when they lost Ayodhya in 2024 elections, it must have been huge for them. But it's a huge Maharashtra shocker. BJP has not only upped its game, it has made a comeback. It had to sacrifice itself. People forget one thing, you know, Devendra Fadnavis had to become a deputy chief minister from the chief minister, and Eknath Shinde had to be imported. So I don't think Eknath Shinde would be a very happy man today with BJP doing
Karthikeyan, I would say that, you know, with the kind of numbers he has got, it's not a bad show. He's done brilliantly for himself, you know, with 55 there. I seriously don't think that the BJP is going to sacrifice him in the altar of getting his own guy at the top. BJP understands. There was not for nothing that Amit Shah and Modi took the decision of making Eknath Shinde, and the discomfort in mind of Ajit in Devendra Fadnavis was clearly visible. He was rattled when he was asked this question. You could see that on his face for 3-4 days, and it's known to everybody. But the fact of the matter is that decision taken by the top brass worked wonders for them. Not only solidified the entire Mahayuti, and now when they are fighting this particular election, the results are showing that that the kind of gamble they took 2 years back has paid them such huge high dividends. And I honestly think that even if they get their own man, which is Devendra Fadnavis as Chief Minister of Maharashtra, one thing is going to be there. They are going to accommodate Eknath Shinde in a big way to make sure that that there's no impression whatsoever that Eknath Shinde has been short charged as far as this election is
Has
concerned.
Shravanti joined us from Kolkata? So let's go across to Kolkata.
Yeah.
I think let's change the discussion a bit. Let's go to Kolkata. How many seats are in fray in West
Six.
Bengal? There's 6 assembly seats which are in fray in West Bengal. Shravanti, can you hear me? Shravanti, I want to. What Shravanti? Shravanti, what I want to know from you is. Shravanti, what I want to know from you is, tell us the reason how and why Mamata Banerjee has been able to hold its fort despite a hugely successful Sandesh Khali agitation during Lok Sabha and an RG car which actually paralyzed her in front of the entire media. How has she been able to do that, Mamata?
This is the question of all the other political party, and this is after Arjikar incident. It is mainly the opposition party CPM and BJP. They are saying this. They are claiming that maybe it will affect Mamata Banerjee or Trinamool Congress. But just last day, yesterday, it is the version of TMC that it will be a clean sweep, and even now, if you get the result, if you just see the trends, there are 6 seats, there are 6 by-election seats. If we just see the result, the all 6 assembly, if you see there the trend, these are the trend where this is the one seat that is Harwa. You can see that Trinamool Congress, they are leading, and it's the if you see the votes, 37,480. So TMC, who is the TMC leader, he got the first position, and the second party is All India Trinamool Congress, and then Bharatiya Janata Party. And it's not only one constituency, there are a lot of constituency. If we see Madarihat, where BJP won 2021, if we see Madarihat constituency, even you can find the All India Trinamool Congress, they are getting the first position, they are holding the first position, and Bharatiya Janata Party BJP is now in the second position.
Okay.